and welcome to another What I Eat in a Day. So as always, I'm starting off my day with my multivitamins and omega-3s. I usually have them with water, but I left my glass upstairs, so we're having them with tea. They're much harder to get down with tea, not gonna lie. If you've seen any of my What I Eat in a Days before, you'll know that I always eat the same breakfast. It's a little bit boring, but it works, and it's egg white oatmeal with a whole tub of natural yogurt. Just do that to reduce decision fatigue because my brain cannot cope with making decisions in the morning. And it's high protein, keeps my energy level stable, and takes like 5 minutes to make. So it's pretty good. I'm going to put all the calories and macros on screen for each of today's meals, but I want to preface this by saying what I eat in a day to build muscle and gain weight is not going to be the same as what you need to eat in a day to build muscle, gain weight, get toned, whatever your goals are. Because each of our bodies are just so different, and even if we ate and trained and lived the exact same lives, we would still look completely different, purely down to our genetics. The only reason I share what I eat in a day is to give you some inspiration for healthy meals and help you hit your protein goal. Today's actually a rest day, so I won't be going to the gym, but I will be doing a deep clean. I'm not gonna lie, I've not cleaned my room in months. So today we're gonna reset, we're gonna clean. I've also got to do some check-ins for my clients, gonna do some content. So I need to go pick up some more yogurt, some cottage cheese, but I'll be showing you guys all the meals I eat throughout the day and throughout all the busyness. But this is going cold, so I need to eat breakfast and then let's get to it. It's actually Easter on Sunday, so I've got my favourite sweet treat, a hot cross bun. Sugar literally gives me such bad headaches, so I really don't have sugar that often, but hot cross buns aren't that sweet, so I can deal with those. Also got a protein shake, code sophiereidfit, and a kiwi for a little bit of colour. I always end up with like a protein shake moustache afterwards. I think kiwis have got to be my favourite fruit. When they're good, they're really good. Let's get into your check-in. So I've seen a lot of PBs come through this week, which is epic. An amazing rest of your week. Welcome to my wardrobe, and by wardrobe I mean floor. Because, I don't know about you, but everything seems to pile up when things get busy, and this is not acceptable. So we need to get cleaning. Also, I don't know if I'm just a dusty person or if it's just because I've literally not cleaned here for months. But look at the state of that. You already know we gotta get the tunes on. We did it. And the wardrobe is actually in the wardrobe. For lunch part 1, we have these very cute sweet potato toasts. I've not made them before, but they're honestly so good. I pre-cooked the sweet potato and let it cool down because when you eat it like that, you have a lower blood sugar spike afterwards. I was going to put cottage cheese on one of them, but the supermarket didn't have any cottage cheese, so we've got skyr instead. But I love skyr. I don't know about you, I love skyr. And this one looks so cute. I did have some leftover blackberries, but I will be using them later, don't worry. I would need some more protein at least, but that's fine because lunch part 2 is coming as soon as I finish this. Okay, I know it might not look the best, but it's good for getting your protein in, and it actually tastes a lot better than it looks. The reason I used 2 different protein powders though was because one's unflavored that I ordered by mistake, and I'm trying to use it up because unflavored tastes disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. So to try and make it taste less disgusting, I've been using half unflavored and then half chocolate just to try and mask the flavor, and it actually works. Like if you combine it with the berries, combine it with the peanut butter and the oats, it does a pretty good job of masking it. Oh, and the yogurt. So this is the way. This is the way. It's not way. I have this quite a lot. I have no idea what to call it, but it tastes decent and it helps get your protein in, so I'd say that's a win. In case you didn't know, last week I became a Gymshark athlete, which is actually insane, and I could not believe it until today, where they sent me my code, and my code is sophiereidfit, and if you use that then you'll get 10% off your entire order. I think they increase the code at certain points during the year, so look out for that. And if it ever changes, then I'll update it in the description so that you're not using the wrong one. But to sort of celebrate that, I thought I'd give you my top 10 recommendations from Gymshark, because I love so many of their fits, but for me, I personally prefer a little bit more coverage because some of their sports bras are a little bit much. Pause for the ASMR. Even though it's a rest day, I always make sure to get in my greens and my creatine, as well as drinking. I aim for 3 litres of water every day, but I don't actually track that, so that I should start tracking it. Some days, like, I know I've not been drinking enough. I can tell, I can feel it. So I should probably get back to tracking that. But yeah, my current top 10 recommendations from Gymshark. Just start with what I've got on because I really love this fit. This is their new Soft Sculpt collection. I'm currently wearing the capped sleeve bralette in walnut brown. I've also got the matching shorts. Oh, my knee. It's from the same collection. It's the Shelf Tank, and I got it in rest blue. It's actually super cute. I didn't get the shorts and I'm really regretting it because I love a little matching fit. I wish you could like feel this material because it's so soft and I don't know how to describe it. It just sort of glides over you when you put it on, and then it kind of feels like you're not wearing anything, which was a little bit disconcerting the first time I wore it, but you get used to it. I saved the best till last, but next on the list is the Everywhere Crop Zip hoodie. I love this. The hood is absolutely massive. Like, it covers you. You feel like you're in a cave when you have the hood up. It's warm, but it's not too warm. It's thick, but it's not too thick. And it just works. So the little Gymshark logo is like, it's cute. It's feely. I don't know. I just appreciated the little sensory touch. Let's move on to shorts. A lot of people are sleeping on these, but I really love the stitch feature shorts. Look at the back. That is so cute, and from the front it sort of creates the illusion of like snatching your waist, and I absolutely love it. So I have these, and then the similar ones are the Apex shorts. I have them in black. I'm much more of a shorts girly than a leggings girly. I don't actually own a pair of leggings, so I can't recommend any leggings, but I do love those shorts. However, my absolute favorite shorts, which are actually in the wash right now, are the Adapt Safari shorts, specifically in blue. They just snatch everything in all the right places and they're just so flattering. Next we've got joggers. I always love pairing my shorts with some joggers. So like what I've got on now, actually I'll put a picture on screen. My favorite joggers are the ones I've got on now. I think they're the Gymshark Power joggers. They don't actually have them on the site right now, but if they restock, I will make sure to tell you guys because I absolutely love them. I want to get like 3 more pairs because I wear them literally every day. Similar style that I like is the Lifting Essentials oversized joggers, so I'll put them on screen now. I don't actually have them, but I really like the style. The other joggers that I do have 2 pairs of in different colors are the Legacy joggers. I really like these because they've got pockets, and not just 2 pockets, they have 4 pockets. Remember that phase where women's clothing, literally no women's clothing had pockets, and it frustrated me so much. So that was when I got 2 pairs of those joggers just for the pockets. These crop tops are my absolute favorite all time. I don't think I'll ever find anything, sorry it's got my hair on it. I don't think I'll ever find anything that I love more than this. These are the halter neck cami with shelf. When it says with shelf, what it means is that there's another like under layer, so you've got that layer underneath and then you've got the top layer, so you can sort of fold it up and have like different lengths of top as well, and it is so nice. They do more colors, they keep releasing new colors, so look out for that because honestly I could have them in every color. I'm starting the collection. I also have the white one I think there's another colour, I can't remember which colour it is, but I want them in every colour. Every colour. It's becoming a bit of an obsession, but I'm also super excited because Gymshark seems to be doing like more similar style, like longer tops that actually like offer more coverage but have the option to have less coverage as well. It's a good time. I've just realised that I've literally just dragged everything back out my cupboard that I put away this morning when I was tidying up. But yeah, you can use code sophiereid10 if you want to save on your entire order at Gymshark. And by the way, if you do use my code, I genuinely appreciate you so much, because as one of like the smaller creators or smaller Gymshark athletes, not as many people will be using my code. So when you do, it genuinely helps support me, and it honestly means the world. Like, I can't express how grateful I am for having this platform, having this amazing community, and you being part of it. We're besties now, and I'm so excited that you're part of the journey, I'm part of your journey, and we're just like doing this whole fitness life together. So it's just so cool, and if you do use my code, thank you so much. I'm so tired. I'm gonna get a head start on editing this video, but thank you so much for watching what I eat in a day. Let me know what other content you want to see next, because I always want to make content that's going to be helpful for you guys, or give you more healthy meal ideas, or help you hit your protein goal, just whatever. Let me know, because I love chatting to you guys in the comments, and I read all my comments. But yeah, it's been really nice to spend the day with you, and if you want to see what I eat in an entire week, then you can check out this video next. I love you so much. Code sophiereid10, and I'll see you in the next one.